In this video we will talk about average income in Web3. It's difficult to provide an average salary specifically for Web3, as it encompasses a wide range of roles, industries, and technologies. The field of Web3 is still relatively new and rapidly evolving, making it challenging to gather comprehensive salary data. Subscribe our channel for more updates. However, I can provide you with some information about salaries in related fields that are often associated with Web3 technologies, such as blockchain development or cryptocurrency. It's important to note that these figures are approximate and can vary based on factors like location, experience, skill set, and the specific company or project. Blockchain developers, in traditional blockchain development roles, salaries can vary widely depending on factors like experience, expertise, and geographic location. Junior developers may earn an average salary ranging from $60,000 to $100,000 per year, while experienced blockchain developers can earn well over $100,000 per year. Cryptocurrency industry. Salaries within the cryptocurrency industry can be quite varied and may depend on the specific role. For example, cryptocurrency traders or analysts may have different earning potential compared to compliance officers or marketing specialists. High-demand roles like data scientists or security experts within the cryptocurrency industry may command higher salaries. NFT specialists, including artists, creators, and developers, can have varying income potential. Some successful NFT artists or creators have made significant profits from selling their digital artwork, while others may earn more modest amounts. The income can be highly dependent on the popularity and value of their work within the NFT market. It's important to remember that these figures are approximate and can vary significantly based on factors such as location, experience, market demand, and the specific role or industry within the Web3 space. Additionally, the Web3 landscape is rapidly changing, and new opportunities and salary ranges may emerge as the technology develops further. To know more about technology or innovation, please visit our channel to close the era of technology, or if you want to learn any skill, please tell us in comments or inbox. We will start a specific course for you. If you like our content, hit like button and subscribe my channel for stay updated. Thanks.